But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to swoop your edges. So first thing I take is my edge brush and my got to be glue, and I take about as much. So the got to be glue, well, gel glue, whatever, it's kind of sticky. Put them on both your fingers. Now you rub just a little bit on your edges, going all the way down to your sideburns. Get everything on both sides. And you could add a little more, you know, put that. Honestly, this is like not 24-hour hold because I don't keep it on that long, but this gonna stay. Once we lay it, it's gonna stay. So you take your got to be glue, rub it all around your edges like so. So that was step 1. Now step 2, you gotta get the excess off of your fingers. You could just lay that wherever. And you see I lay it going down. It's not gonna look like this, y'all. You lay it going down just to get everything off your fingers. Good. I'll be back. Normally I will use a blow dryer, but it's okay because it's downstairs and I don't feel like going to get it. But this is the important part. So you take your edges and you bring them down like so. You gotta prep your edges, ladies. Prep your edges to be laid. You lay it down. Just small strokes, laying the edges. You're not doing nothing crazy yet. This is only step 2. Alright. So you see this? You just lay it down. You getting it separated. You making sure. Look, boom. You making sure your edges is detangled. You see how I just lay it down? Like this. Like these. Okay, y'all wanna see how I lay my edges like these? Now after you have it laid on both sides, you're gonna be doing this not really slow, but keep doing it. Like it's gonna take you a good 5 minutes, because as you're laying your edges, the glue is getting tacky. And that's a good thing, because when we do the swoop, it's gonna stay. And you separate your edges. You know what you want going right, what you want going left. So I like putting all of this on this side and bringing everything else to the other side. So now you start pushing your edges this way. Just a small little stroke this way. In. Well, technically it's out. But just a small, you see how it's creating a little swoop effect? Make sure you say it like swoop, swoop. You gotta say the swoop. If you don't say the swoop, it's not gonna swoop. Alright, watch this side. You see it? Swoop, 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 swoop. Swoop is the small swoops right now though. Just a swoop. Y'all see that? Swoop, swoop. Y'all see how it's like a little small swoop, swoop. Y'all see that? Swoop, swoop. Swoop, ladies. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Alright. Now that you did that, the next step is the finger follows the brush. So you swoop it, but the finger gotta follow it. Give it a little swoop. You gotta say it. Swoop. Alright. So it's swoop. You see? And then look, on this side, you bring it up a little bit. And you let the finger follow it. The finger is laying it down. You see a little fly away? Make sure you pick it up and tuck it. Okay, so you got the finger following the swoop. Alright, boom, swoop. Alright, so you see, y'all see that? You got the swoop and then you follow it with the finger and then lays. But you gotta follow both steps. Make sure you follow it with the finger. That's a very important part. And now when you get to the bottom, I just pull my sideburns down and what's right here, pull it up like so, like so. So you take this side, swoop, got swoop. So swoop, y'all see that? Swoop, you gotta swoop with the finger. If you don't swoop with the finger, it's not gonna swoop. So swoop. Swoop. Alright, alright. I know y'all probably like, this bitch, she's swooping too much. No, that's what you gotta do if you want your edges laid. I'm telling y'all ladies, y'all ain't believing me. This is why y'all joints don't be laid. You gotta swoop and you gotta drag the finger and you gotta say it. That's what you gotta do. See the swoop, when you follow the swoop steps, it's gonna lay. You gotta swoop. Alright. So after you do that, you let it dry. I don't tie nothing around my edges. I feel like Got2b glue does the job. I blow dry it if I can, and that'll definitely make it stay. This joint. Okay. So, boom. That's how you do your edges, ladies. And it's going to stay for a good 24 hours if you need that. I don't keep it on that long. I wouldn't recommend you keep it on that long either, because you're messing up your hair. And you should always take your edges, take your edges out when you're not in front of the camera outside, because your hair is just getting dry and brittle if you leave the product on your hair. That's just a little tip. But this is how I do my edges. Follow me, subscribe, everything. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, but I'll let you know more about that in my next video.